Hello and thank you for watching another episode of Linux Innovations. In this video, I will be showing you a basic installation of Pop! OS 20.04. First, we click on Create New Virtual Machine, select the typical install and click Next. Then we proceed to select our ISO image, in this case the Pop! OS 20.04. Click Open, and we click Next. Then we select the other Linux kernel 5.x or later. Then we click Next. Then we define a virtual machine name. In our case, it will be Pop! OS 20.04. Click Next. Then we define our volume size for the virtual machine. We customize the virtual machine by selecting 2 gigs of memory or 2048 megabytes, and then selecting one virtual CPU. Click Finish to create a machine, and then power on. The machine will go through the boot up process, validating the hardware components. Then we get to our main installer. Click Select. Our language is English. Click Select. We're going to use a default installation. Click Select. And then we want to do a clean installation. So click that option and click Next. And then we select the volume itself. Click Erase and Install. And then we define our root password. This will be mainly the encryption password that will be used for the volume. It's a unique password, so make sure that you either write down or remember this password. Then the installation proceeds, and towards the end, we will be asked to reboot the system. In this case, we will reboot the system. Click Restart Device. And in this screen, we'll type the description password that we typed earlier. Oops, I think I made a typo there. Type it again. Okay. This is the welcome wizard. Let's click Next. Let's click Next. For privacy, let's click Next. For the time zone, click Next. This is our time zone. We're going to skip the account creation, and then we're going to create a new account for our system. This will be a new user account. We click Next. We type our password for this user account. Then we click Next and click Start. And then we'll drop back into the actual window manager desktop. This basically concludes the installation of Pop! OS 20.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.